Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display the events using the event shortcode widget on your WordPress website. First of all, go to the page on which you want to display the events and here search for events. Now you can see the events widgets. Drag and drop so you can see the events on your page. Update it and click on view page. Now you can see some of the events are displayed on your website. Under the content, you can choose the type of event. Let's say the past events. So it will display the past events. Or you can select upcoming and past events. So by this you can see all the events on your website. Under the event category, you can display a particular category. Under the event time, you can select all events or you can select a particular date range of the events. And now here you select the start date and an end date. So now you will see all the events in that particular date range. Under the layout, you can select the layout for the event calendar. For the list layout, we have two styles. This is the style 1 and this is the style 2. You can change the date format to month or the full date or only the day. Let's select it to full. If you want to hide the venue, select yes. If you want to hide the description, you can do it from this option. So by this way, you can customize this list layout for your events. Let's select the minimal list. So it will look something like this or the calendar. You can also choose to display the number of events on your website. Let's select 1. So now you can see only one event is displayed. Update it and refresh the page. So here also you can see only one event is displayed. Let's select 5 and refresh the page again. So now you can see 5 events are displayed. Under the event order, you can change the order from ascending to descending. So now you can see the backward order of the events. Under the style settings, you can change the main skin color, the event background, the event date color. If you want to change the typography settings of the event date, click here and from here select the font family. Choose the size, the line height or the letter spacing. So by this way, if you can change the event description color, change it from here and the typography settings for the event description from here. Let's update it and refresh the page. So now you can see the style has been implemented on your WordPress website. So by this way, you can easily display event calendar shortcode using Elementor on your WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video.